Tramontina is a Brazilian company. It has more than 100 years of history dedicated to product quality and consumers' satisfaction. There are 9 factories spread across Brazil, and one of them is in Pernambuco. Since 1998, Tramontina Delta Plastic manufactures products focused on the plasticity and lightness of materials with a unique design following market trends, in addition, of course, to the excellent safety quality of products that undergo testing processes and are approved by Inmetro. The factory produces a bulk selection of plastic items such as chairs, tables, waste bins, plant pots, and much more. Products designed for your home and business. All this within 4 lines of plastic products. The basic line consists of practical furniture focused on everyday life, home, garden and work environments, in addition to beach chairs, light, versatile and colorful products. The Suma line contains elegant and resistant items, with proposals for indoor and unique colors to set home environments. The Casa Delta is our line of rotomolded furniture, produced in polyethylene, which results in resistant furniture that brings modernity to environments. Our line of children's products has colorful and fun items that are produced with non-toxic raw materials. Our lines are produced with the care for what is around us in mind. We already have product lines with plastic of renewable origin from sugarcane or post-consumer recycled resin in their composition, being produced from plastic items properly discarded and sent for recycling. Care for the environment is a commitment for us. Versatility, quality, and trust. Tramontina Delta Plastic produces items to complete the home, life, and businesses of its consumers. Tramontina.